Hi! Hello mga kamasel! Biro lang. Um, the question that I want to give to you is, are you up for a challenge? For tonight's schedule, I am preparing for my day 2. So here's my notes, and here's my pen, and I'm writing down whatever schedule that I will take, that I will be having for tomorrow. Okay? And I hope with all my dedication and commitment, I hope that this schedule will come into actualization. Okay? Sige. Let's see you tomorrow, and I hope you will accept the next challenge. Okay ba yun, Kamasel? See you! Okay, time check. It's already 6:10 in the morning. So I still have I think 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. Okay? Mag-jogging uli ako, tapos mag-sprint, tapos i-maximize ko yung 15 minutes bago ako umalis sa lugar. Okay? Sige. Alright. Woo. Welcome back. So far it's already time, and I think we have exceeded our limit, and it's already 6
6:20. It's already 6:20. So we are preparing ourselves to go back home. Pero before we leave the place, I'd like to be more thankful for this chance. At least, 'di ba, pagkagising mo sa umaga, wala nang tumpik-tumpik pa, wala nang tulog-tulog, bangon, hilamos, toothbrush, mag-ayos ng sarili, magsapatos, labas, maglakad. At ngayon, I'm here in my destination. Again, it's not always the destination, but the process. The mere fact na gumising ka ng maaga, napakalaking value na yon na ginagawa sa ating sarili. Kaya ito, ulitin ko, are you up for a challenge? So china-challenge kita na create your 30-day challenge routine. At least you are making and building yourself for your better self, for the future. Sana ma-inspire ang lahat. Sana ikaw na nanonood, do whatever it takes. See you! Sarado pa yung bahay. Dito na ako. Pero sarado pa. Doon tayo dadaan sa loob. Dito ako sa likod ng bahay. I'm going back home. So paano guys, my next schedule here is I'll read book at least an hour, then do my meditation, then maliligo, tapos magtatrabaho na uli. So paano ba yan? Until tomorrow, okay? See you in our next video.
Hello, I'm here in my little studio where I facilitate my online classes. And for today's task, I'll be answering my students' query and do some research works. Last few words before the day ends. I finished all the tasks at hand, and for the more exciting part, I invited 2 challengers and they accepted the 30-day challenge. Are you excited? I am excited. So see you in our next videos.